Google has added a new priority page in Drive, making organizing in Google Drive even easier. You can easily access and quickly access these files without searching through My Drive, folders, etc. Instead, you can sort these files into what's called Workspace. You can see I have a workspace created in the lower left called Google Class Training. When in the training, I can just open up the files as I need them. They're all located in one location. Priority Drive is located at the top left of the navigation bar in Drive. Note the files you have most recently been using are located across the top. In the middle of the screen, you have the option to create a workspace. Let's create a workspace titled Illuminate. When the window opens, click Add Files. Artificial intelligence in Google has already identified these 4 files as having recently been worked on, and they have the word Illuminate in the title. Let's add all 4 of these files. Note they're listed here. Click Done. I have more files I would like to add. Here's another way I can locate files to add. Let's search through most recently used files. I want to add this exam export. Click on the 3 dots, the More menu. See the Add to Workspace. Select the workspace, and the file is added. A third way to add a file is just quickly right-click on the file, and you see the Add to Workspace option is in the menu. If you happen to add a file in error, simply click on the More dot, Remove from Workspace. When you are done using a workspace, click on the drop-down arrow. I can either rename it, hide the workspace, or remove the workspace. If I hide the workspace, I can reopen it at a later time. I've noticed I can have up to 8 workspaces at a time showing. If you would like to have this default view where you open up to priority page upon opening Google Drive, simply go to your Drive settings, the gear in the upper right, click on Settings, scroll down, make sure this box is selected, make priority my default homepage. Click Done. Next time you open Drive, it opens to priority and the files that you were most recently working on. Priority Workspace could be used for teachers changing classes each period, as well as for planning a lesson or a big project. Students can also use this Priority Workspace to organize research or files by class. The options are limitless. Take time to explore Priority Workspace. It's easy to use, quick to set up, and it saves time.